to introduce to you the panelists that I have this beautiful evening. On my immediate right is Mr. Roger Holo. Did I get the pronunciation right?
Correct.
Mr. Roger Holo is head of region, UNHCR Western Region. Good evening, and would you like to also say good evening to the viewers?
Good evening, listeners, and I'm happy to be here.
Right. Thank you so much. Hassan Bwambale is also with us today. Hassan Bwambale works with World Food Program, and he is the acting head of field office here in Mbarara. Ukabwach?
Nganeyo.
Oneyo? Muri muta?
Tuneyo. Wasije mibiri.
Twasije. Yabere mutengitaho nakusena n'abantu bene batureba.
Abakuturikiriza n'abakutureba mwasiba buhoro ko yayagambira amazina ni Hassan Bwambale ninkora nka acting team leader wa World Food Program mu office ya Mbarara.
Okay. And also with us is Emmanuel Rutimba, who works with World Food Program, and he's actually the head of the region for this region, which is Southwestern region, or Western region, like we usually call it. Good evening. Please also say hi to the
Yes,
viewers.
good evening, Bobs. And as Bob has mentioned, I work for WFP. I'm the head of Southwest Area Office, and this is a stretch of region that starts all the way from Kisoro and runs up to Changwali.
Yes.
And in that region, you have about 5 settlements. So, listeners, thank you. Nice to be here, and thank you, Bobs, for hosting us.
And I want to start with you, Mr.
Yes,
Emmanuel, because you know we see tracks written on WFP.
Yeah.
There's a lot of work that you do.
Yeah.
But for a viewer, for someone who needs to know briefly what WFP is and what your mandate is.
Sure. WFP stands for World Food Program.
Yeah.
It's a UN agency that is responsible for providing food assistance to the most vulnerable people. We respond to man-made disasters and human-made disasters, and we provide food to those who are in need. And so our mandate is mainly food assistance, and also changing the lives of the people that we serve. And we subscribe to the UN Sustainable Development Goal number 2, which is zero hunger. Yeah. So World Food Program works all over the world in over 150 countries. And so Uganda is one of the countries where the WFP is working.
All right. You are representing the UNHCR,
yes,
Mr. Roger, and you work quite closely with the Office of the Prime Minister. Right now, there's a crisis that is going on. As you know, we usually get the reports from the news and everywhere. And we know that your mandate, because of the mandate that you have, you work closely with the OPM. Now, I'd like to know, in terms of the funding strain and maybe the legal and demographic realities that shape the kind of work that you do in this country.
Thank you, Bob, and thank you for having me this evening. My name is Roger Holo. I'm heading the UNHCR operation here in South and Midwest. I'm covering the same area Emmanuel is covering, from Kisoro to Changwali, the 5 settlements. And as he said, we work really in collaboration, hand in hand. But for UNHCR particularly,